Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin around 39k at the moment. We're going up a little bit, nothing too crazy, and we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin chart. As before, Bitcoin is still not in the channel, back in the channel. It is outside of that channel, below the former support, now resistance level here around 40k. So above 40k we would get back into this channel, into this sort of bear flag in which Bitcoin has been trading since end of January. So kind of a bear flag, kind of bearish, would also be in line with my Elliott Wave count that we are going to go into the region below 29k in that capitulation phase, which is part of every bear market, which has to happen normally for prices to be able to rise again on a sustainable basis. So for Bitcoin, what we can see here, we're making here a series of lower lows actually, but at some point here shortly, I would expect that correction to the upside that we've been talking about, that move that will take Bitcoin back into this green target range. That is just a move that typically has to happen because you're coming down here. If I zoom out a little bit again, you're coming down here in this first wave, and then you would move up in that second wave. So after this first wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you should see a wave 2, ABC, which then should take us into the region between 42k and 46k. Let's keep it like that at the moment. So I did believe it would happen already here, but the scenario is still going on, right? Just because we made a lower low here doesn't mean that we can't now go into this region. It just means that maybe this downtrend wasn't finished yet before we now get up, and we could even go down a little bit lower, but that larger counter reaction will happen. It is part of any downtrend that you see these movements that should go somewhere here into the region between the 38.2% fib level and the 78.6, and there you go. You can see that area is located between that 38.2% fib level and the 78.6% fib level, and that is normally where you expect prices to go to. The 0.5 fib level is normally for a wave 2 one of the ideal targets, and the 61.8, so 43.1 to 44.3k would be ideal. So waiting for that still. If we zoom in a little bit here, we can see that so pretty much no change to earlier today. So if I go to the 1 hour chart, we'll see it a little bit better. We saw the price move up. Internet a bit slow, so bear with me. It's updated now. So earlier in the video I told you that we were down here around 38k, I believe. No, we then came up already. No, we saw that we saw the uptrend flattening out already, and that was exactly here at that resistance level, and this is still sort of showing currently that we are just below resistance basically. I think in the earlier video today, we were just here, just below that previous low, and we pushed through it, which is good to see. But now we need to move above that 39.2k level. That has been support here various times, here on the 22nd, here on the 24th. It is just an important level that has provided support before. 39.2 here as well, together with that ascending trend line of the channel. So therefore we need to move above that now in order to have a chance again to move higher and to move into that region here of that green area. And again, that should take us into the region between 42 and 46k. Word of warning, if you want to trade it, you need to know what you're doing. This is a wave B, because we are coming down here. Well, we're coming down in a wave 1. This will be a wave 2. A wave 2 consists of an ABC, and it is just against, you're going against the higher level trend, because the high level trend is down. So if you go long here, you should use a stop loss, but that's obviously up to you what you do. I still get questions, should I buy, should I sell? Now I can't tell you that. I'm not your financial advisor. I can only help you make your own decisions, give you a bit of food for thought, share here what I see in the charts, but I can't tell you if you should buy or sell. That's entirely up to you. I can only share what I'm doing. I'm currently not doing anything. I'm adding to my portfolio by dollar cost averaging in at the moment, because we are at historically also very interesting price levels, given that we already were at around 70k, so currently at 39, but I still expect far lower prices for Bitcoin, but nobody knows 100%, and therefore I believe in the current environment dollar cost averaging works quite well, and then obviously not to forget to take profits in the next bull run. But still, we do expect the price to go into that region between 20 and 29k, so there is still quite a bit of a significant drop coming. And here on the 1 hour chart, what we can see is obviously that this could be some kind of a bullish flag here, a preparation for a breakout. You're moving up here after we found support here at 37.7k. That was a new low, and we are now hovering just below that level here. Haven't tried to go through it yet, but as soon as you see the price to go above 39.2, you will know that we are back above that. Resistance will then probably be flipped for support, pending a successful retest, and then we need to get above 40k, and only then the price has a chance to really complete that correction and to move higher here in this second wave, which again should go into that region. So what should happen after that? Well, as soon as we reach that area, we do expect the price again to turn around, and we would then go down in a third wave, which will be somewhere down here, maybe around 34.5, maybe lower, moving then up in a wave 4 again, and then coming down in a wave 5. So it will be a bit of a lengthy process again. It is still possible also that in this wave 1 we're coming down a little bit more before we see that wave 2 counter reaction, but it has another chance to do it as soon as we get above 39.2k. And that is the roadmap of how we can finally get into this target area that we've now had on the chart for 6 months, so we're getting there, but it's just taking time, and I think it's a bit of education for everybody how long such a correction can actually really take. Of course, I'll keep you updated about Bitcoin, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then join the community, subscribe, and not only subscribe, but check out the channel membership as well, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat, the Discord server, and also a weekly live stream. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.